Friends, today we are at Sarnath. Sarnath is the place where Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon, and it is a holy place for the followers of Buddhism. So behind me you can see Dhamek Stup. It is still remaining its original shape almost, and till date the Buddhists worship and pray there. Sarnath has a lot of excavations also, and during excavations chaityas and viharas were found here. Vihara is the place where the disciples reside, and chaitya is the place where the teachings are carried out, Buddhism is preached. So chaityas and viharas are there, we will watch that also. And there was one more stupa you can see now at the back, very large circumference. There is a total circumference you can see. So this was Dharamrajika Stup, friends. So Dharamrajika Stup was built by Ashoka to enshrine the relics of Lord Buddha. In view of redistribution of the relic and to enshrine them in a number of stupas at different places, it is referred that King Ashoka opened 7 original relic stupas except Ramgarh Stup, which was guarded by the snakes, and collected relics to erect thousands of stupas, and Dharamrajika Stupa is one of them. Originally it was a small stupa of 49 feet in diameter. Subsequently it was enlarged in 6 different phases by raising the height, providing circumambulatory path, later on shaped as Medhi, with monolithic staircases at 4 cardinal directions, and to climb over it. As per available records, the huge structure was unfortunately pulled down by Jagat Singh, who was a Diwan of Raja Chet Singh of Banaras during 1794 AD, in order to exploit the building material. In this tragic event, a relic casket of green marble inside a stone box was discovered. The box is preserved still in the Indian Museum, Kolkata, whereas the casket was thrown into river Ganges. Later on, during archaeological excavation, 2 outstanding images with the colossal Bodhisattva of Kushan period in red sandstone and an image of seated Buddha in Dharma Chakra Pravartan Mudra of Gupta period were also recovered from the periphery of this stupa. So these are the 2 stupas here, friends, out of which Dhamek Stup, which you saw first, remains, and the Dharamrajika was pulled down unfortunately, as I told, which is now at my back. And now you can see in the far distance, these are the excavations, friends. These are the excavations in this Buddhist site, and here the chaityas and viharas were located, as I told you, and here the Buddhist monks used to live, and also the preachings of Buddhism were given. So it's a substantially big area in which this monument is spread over, and during the day, especially in winters, it is very pleasant to visit. You can spend in bright sunshine, in the warmth of the sunshine. Right now you can see the sun at my back. So very pleasant place to visit. And on this side, friends, you can see a fence. So in that fence, a deer park has been established, and a good number of deer are there. It is said that wherever Buddhist monks lived, they used to show empathy to the deer. So here also a deer park has been created. And then there are several temples. You can see one temple again here, this golden top of the temple you can see. This is there. And facilities are there for seating. You can see benches here and there. So this is one bench which you can see. People can sit down and relax also. So it is highly recommended that you plan a visit and make a visit to Sarnath, the holy place of Buddhism. And we conclude this video with the Dhamek Stup in our background. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the video and press the bell button also. Thank you friends.